Okay, children, today's topic is square and its square root. Okay, what is square? A number multiplied by itself and formed a product is known as square. Okay, a number multiplied by itself and formed a product is known as square. Like a number is 4 and 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 4 is multiplied with itself to form 16. Okay, here the same example, 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Okay, now what is square root? The number divided by the square of that number and form its same number is called a square root. Okay, like here we have taken 4 into 4 is equal to 16 and here the root is 16, and when 16 is divided by 4 it forming the same number is called a 4. Now here root 18 when 81 is divided by 9 is forming 9. Here 169 root. Okay, when it is divided by 13 forming the 13. Okay, now perfect square. What is perfect square? A number whose exact square root can be obtained called perfect square. Okay, a number whose exact square root can be obtained called perfect square. What is perfect square and how can we know it? Okay, here we have taken 16 and root 16 is equal to 4. How we did here? Now 81, 9, 576, 24, but 20 we cannot find because 20 is not the square of any number. Okay, then find out the perfect square of number 196 and 36. Already I have found it. Okay, 36 we will do factorize. 36, 18, 9, 3. Okay, square root means what? Always we have to take in 2. Okay, 2. Then root 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, it is easy. Now in important case, find the square if in point. Okay, 0.7 square is equal to 0.49. How it came? Okay, 7 square is 49 and if after point it is one digit, then you divide it by 2. Multiply it by 2. Okay, 1 into 2, then 2. After 2 digit you keep 1 0. Okay, here 0.10 square means 10 10 100. Okay, here it is 2 digit, but if we will 2 into 2, 4. Okay, 4 means we will add 1 0 before, not after. Before we will add 1 0 and we keep the point. Here same 0.8 square, 0.64. Okay, 8 is 64 and here 8 means 1 into 2. After 2 digit we will keep 1 0 point. Okay, how to find the square root of a perfect square? Okay, how we will find the square root of a perfect square? If it is 4 and 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Okay, it is coming a square, so it is a perfect square and it is a perfect number. Okay, and it is 12 into 12. All natural numbers are perfect number, but all square roots are not perfect square. Okay, like once again I will tell, all natural numbers are perfect number, but all natural numbers are not a perfect square. Like 20, 4 into 5. See here 5 is coming and here is 4. We have taken another natural number, so it is coming 20. But here 20 into 21, 420. If we will take 20 into 20, then it is coming 400. So it is a perfect square and it is perfect number. These two are perfect number, but this is not a perfect square. Okay, find the square root of a perfect square using division method. How we can find the square root of a perfect square? Okay, we can find it using the division method, which is very easy. Just for example, square root of 276676. Okay, remainder should be always 0. Then only it is a square root or perfect square root. See, from the when we will do divide, you should always see that from the right side to the left side we will do the pair. Okay, and always the first pair will be divided by a square. See here, 5 into 5, 25, plus 5 here I did. Why? To find the answer. Here 5 and here 5. 5 plus 5, 10. How much we will add and multiply that so that it will come nearest to 266. 102 into 2, 204. Then this one I will add 102 plus 2 is equal to 104. Then 1046 into 6 is equal to 6276. And the answer is, remainder is 0. And answer is 526. You should always see that the remainder should be 0, then only it is a perfect square. Okay, now second example, square root of 4489 and 46656. Now from the right to the left side you will do pair, first pair, second pair. Now 6 6 the 36, then 44 minus 36, 8. Then this will come here down automatically. 6 plus 6, okay, then 12. Then how much we will add and multiply so that it will come equal. 127 into 7 is equal to 889, and the answer is 0. And here you see 46656. You should not be confused that if it is even then it will come equal pair, and it is odd then we cannot find. Then also you will do from the right side to the left side pair, first pair, second pair and third pair. 2 2 is 4, okay, then 0. Then 2 plus 2, 4. How much will add and multiply? 41 into 1, 41, okay, minus 25. Then this one will come here. Then 426 into 6, 2556. Okay, if there is point, okay, how we do in divide? Like same, we will find here, and you should see that if how many digits are there after the point, that much number by 2 you will do, then we can find. Okay, see here 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 by 2 3. Okay, after 3 digit you will keep the point, answer will come easily. Okay, here also 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, see 1 2 3 4 4 5. Okay, after before 2 digit 1 point is there, then we will keep here 1. Okay, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, find the square root of a number which is not a perfect square. Okay, how we will find the square root of a number which is not a perfect square? See here, 24.729. Okay, 24.729 we cannot find. So how we will find it? Okay, see here 24.729. You should use how many zeros you can do multiplied and find the answer quickly. Okay, here you can do 1 0 also, here you can do 3 also, here you can do 6 also, no problem. Okay, see here 4 4 is 16. Okay, then 4 plus 4, 8. Then here minus we will do, then 8, and point we will keep here, then automatically this will come here, then 72. Okay, like this you will do 9949, 9942. Okay, sorry, 9942 into 2 is equal to 19884. Then 8216. You should always see that divisor and the remainder. Divisor will be always greater than remainder. If it is greater than remainder, then you will see that it is a perfect square, and we have found the perfect square. Okay, if asking for only 3, then we cannot find. Okay, we do not know what is the square root of 3, then we will do 3.40 or 20 also you can add. Okay, and 1 also you will see. Then if you will use here 20, the number will come big, and you should always see that divisor should be greater than 71 or remainder. Here see 1 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 2 point, then automatically this 0 will come. 27 into 7, 189. We'll add here 27 point plus 7. Okay, then we'll do minus, then 11, then automatically this 0 will come here. Then 27 plus 7, 34, 343 into 3 is equal to 1029. Remainder is 71. Okay, when this remainder is smaller than divisor, so the answer is only up to 7.13. Okay.